All right, so if you have a Tesla, you're probably familiar with Caraoke. Allows you to essentially turn your car into a karaoke machine. Has lots of music and stuff built in, and then the words appear on the screen. But what karaoke is complete without a set of microphones. Now, these microphones are by LV Donic, and you get 2 in here, and these are less than half the cost of the Tesla microphones and work extremely well. So it comes with a little book, comes with a little dongle that you will install either in your glove box or in your center console. It has a USB-A end on it, but it also has a USB-C underneath there. So you can use your USB-C ports or your USB-A in your glove box. Now, if you have a USB hard drive stuck in your USB port in your glove box, then you'll probably need something like this. That way you can plug multiple things into your USB port in your glove box. So with this, you can plug your USB microphones into it, and then your storage thumb drive for your Sentry and dash cam. And then you'll just plug this into the glove box. All right, so once you have the USB dongle plugged into the glove box, but now you just turn it on and it will automatically connect. You should see a microphone. I can already hear it's connected. Hello. So you can hear how well it works. All right, so you can adjust on the microphone. You can adjust the volume up and down. I can turn it down so it won't be as loud. Yep. There's also different effects that you can press on the microphone.
KTV effect.
And essentially this
living room effect.
Living room effect.
Concert effect.
Concert effect.
Standard.
So it essentially adjusts the amount of echo. So let's go. So standard is no echo.
KTV living room effect. Concert effect.
Now this one you're going to hear a lot of echo. Hello. It sounds amazing. Oh my goodness. And I have it all the way turned down too. Wow, that's crazy. It's crazy. All right, so you'll see a little microphone on the top of your screen. You can press that. You can adjust the volume of your microphone. If your microphone is too loud, you can adjust it here as well as on this. Adjusting this volume does not affect that volume on the screen. You also have sound effects here that you can use. You see it's on Recording Studio. Now, I don't know if I press this button if it adjusts that one or not. No, it does not.
KTV effect.
Hello? Hello? Yep, so, hello? Hello? So you've got microphone settings here as well, and this microphone will work with any media whatsoever. You don't have to have it on the karaoke. Karaoke is going to be a lot of fun with microphones, especially if you have kids. They are going to have a blast. There's Disney, party mixes, duets, and since you have 2 microphones in the kit, you can do lots of duets. But yeah, essentially, if you're not familiar with karaoke, you can just pick a song, any song you want. Let's just do something Disney, Under the Sea, and then you'll get the words to your song on the screen. You can adjust whether you want voices with it. Some of the songs will have voices with it, and then you can turn on and off the words on the screen. But you can do this while you're driving.
Listen to me.
So see, I turned off the words, and now there's not going to be words in there. See, now it's up to you to sing them. All right, so I don't want to get any copyright infringement kind of thing going, but you can see how your kids would have a lot of fun with this. So I'm going to turn this off because I'm recording and doing this, and it's going to cause some issues. But so yeah, so if you have kids or just adults that act like kids, this is going to be a lot of fun. Just cruising down the road, you can have duets with friends and family in the car, hand the microphone around, change the way it sounds. So yeah, this is cool. So karaoke itself is a lot of fun, and just having microphones makes it a lot more fun. These microphones are a fraction of, less than half the cost of the Tesla microphones, and they seem to work fantastic. So they are USB-C. You charge it for 4 hours, gives you about 15 hours of usage out of it. I have charged these one time when I got it, and haven't charged them since. And we've had them just a couple weeks. So the battery life seems great. Quality is, it's not a professional microphone that you'd use on stage or anything like that, but the quality feels good. It has, like I said, volume on it, and then you've got different sound effects. So you don't have to use it with karaoke. You can use it with any music, the radio, whatever you want to do. You can use it with anything. So it just works. It works throughout your whole system. You don't have to even have a radio going. You can just use it. You can use it with anything. So you're not limited to karaoke. You can sing along to the radio. You can sing along to Spotify. Whatever music you're playing or whatever you're doing, you can sing along to. So if you're interested in this, I'll put a link down in the description below. Like I said, they are a lot of fun, especially kids, and karaoke gives them something to sing along. It might drive you crazy, but it's going to be a lot of fun. So if you're interested, I'll put the link down in the description below. Thanks for checking them out, and more videos coming soon. See ya.